Welcome back to Yard Motor. Yeah, man. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're already subscribed to the channel, bless upon yourself, one love. So respect to the max from Yard Motor. So let's jump right into it. Yeah, man. So unboxing video. I haven't seen anyone really using this slider, mostly for the, oh wow. I'm also seeing it on the naked bike. This is what the package like. This is the package. Yeah, this slider is very unique. I like the shape and everything. See? Engineered in Germany. Yes. Yeah, man, so let's get it out of the package. Alright. Put that to the side. Yeah, man, so like a protection for the bike, you know, in case of if your bike end up fall over or something like that, you know, you need to protect it. Let's crack it open. Let's crack it open, man. Oh, it's well packaged, well, everything in bubble wrap. I'll put on the phone for a bit and get these things out there. What a package. I think this is one part of it, some bolts and stuff like that. Yep, it's all the bolts. What else in this package? What is this? I think this is just some plate or something like that. Let's get it out of the package. I'm gonna put on the phone and take all of these stuff out of the package, and then we jump right back into it. Yes, so everything is out of the package right now. So this is what comes in the package, some instruction how to put it together, some step-by-step instruction how to put this thing together. Yeah, I think even the torque spec is there. A lot of information. Yeah, I like it already. I love it already, actually. Mounting instruction, otherwise, yep. It's a little I think this is for to go here. Wow, this is super nice, man. Look at this, very beautiful design. Yeah, I used to the round frame slider, but you know, try to go different this time, you know, something unique. This one is unique, I think. This is the plate. I think this go onto this like that, and I think this going there, something like that, you know. So you can look out for the installation video. I'm gonna do my installation video, or actually when I install it, I'm gonna put up a video of that to show you what it look like on the motorcycle. So this is what come in the package. That's what I'm saying. The bolts look like some nice, well, strong bolts. You know what I mean? Oh, what is this? Oh, this for punch or something like that, but this is what come in the package. So all what came in the package. Yeah, man, so there's some information how to put it together, install it, all that good stuff. But trust me, I really like this. Can't wait to install it on my S1000. Everything well looking nice. You know, protect the plastic them, you know what I mean? You don't want, in case of a fall, you damage your paint job or stuff on the motorcycle. So you know you gotta protect that. So I mean, so this is the best way of doing it, and very unique. I really love this one. So that's what I'm saying. So thanks for viewing this video. If you like it, please hit the thumbs up button. You can share with your friend, let them see what this beautiful product is about. And don't forget to subscribe, you know, if you like what you're seeing here, and to click the bell for a notification when I upload new content like this. Okay, if you're riding, ride safe, always wear your gears. So I mean, if you're driving, drive safe, look out for the riders on the road, and you know, just have a nice time on the road, man. Just look out for each other, and one love. Peace. SW-Motech checking out.